Let's be honest. Most of us don't think too hard about phone cases. You buy a phone, then grab a case so you don't drop it on day one, right? But Apple doesn't see it that way. For them, a case isn't just protection. It's part of the whole iPhone vibe. And with the iPhone 17 lineup coming, the leaks about Apple's new cases are actually kind of wild. So here's what's up. Apple's bringing in something called liquid silicone cases this year. And before you roll your eyes, it's still just silicone, but the twist is in the colors. We're talking midnight black, gray blue, dark blue, celadone, grass green, pale orange, deep orange, and fog purple. It's a really balanced mix. Some are super professional, like black and dark blue. Others, like pale orange and grass green, are basically made for people who want their phone to stand out. And then there's fog purple. Honestly, I can see that one becoming the fan favorite. Now the cool part? These colors aren't locked to just one iPhone. Whether you're eyeing the iPhone 17 Pro, the regular 17, or even the new iPhone 17 Air, which is replacing the Plus, you'll get the same range of options. But wait, Apple being Apple, they also had a bunch of test colors that never made it. Shades like Lake Green, Crag Gray, Tan and Kona, and even this funky one called Quran Bowler. Some of these probably didn't pop enough, but knowing Apple, they could always come back later as those limited edition mid-year drops. Here's where it gets interesting though, these cases aren't just about color. The rumor mill says Apple's tying them into something called liquid glass design. Nobody knows exactly what that means. Maybe it's a glossy finish, maybe it's a texture that shifts under the light, or maybe it's just Apple's new favorite buzzword. But hey, if the cases look sleek and actually protect your $1,000 phone, I doubt people will complain. And if silicone isn't your thing, Apple's apparently fixing their mistake from last year with tech-woven cases. A tougher, upgraded version of fine-woven which honestly flopped. And as a cherry on top, there's even talk of a retro iPhone 4 style case for the iPhone 17 Air. This year, Apple isn't just dropping phones. They're dropping personality. Whatever your style, classic, colorful, or nostalgic, you'll probably find a case that feels made for you. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.